For more information, see the description below. Namaste.
Yoga.
This is 32, page 29. So this is going to be knee yoga.
निःशेषेण युज्यते इति नियोगः. निःशेषेण शेण युज्यते इति नियोगः. नियोगः. निःशेषेण युज्यते इति नियोगः.
Yes.
Come on.
That which is being joined properly is...
Yes, that which is being joined properly.
Okay.
1 minute. Praveen ji,
Okay.
There are two categories. We are joining both the categories in such a way that we cannot find out the difference between them. Such a way of joining is called niyoga. Understood? What is that two particles? I did not tell. It is a concept.
Okay.
Now when you read the definition, you can understand. You see?
So, niyoga.
Niyoga. You split the word and read.
Okay.
Niyoga plus.
Just a second.
Niyoga plus.
Yoga.
Plus. Atad vidhanam.
Okay.
Atad vidhanam. Say the vigraha of atad vidhanam.
Atadvi.
See, I am reading it. Atad vidhanam. Atad vidhanam. Atad vidhanam. Say the vigraha of that together. Mind reading, if you listen, you can tell. Atad vidhanam. Atad vidhanam. Atad vidhanam. I am not
so
stopping.
there is dvi here.
I am asking you to tell the vigraha vakya, not the splitting, sandhi. Atat vidhanam, vigraha vakya, samasa, compounding. Atat vidhanam. Atat vidhanam.
Usually it's Tatpurusha.
I am asking, okay, let it be Tatpurusha. Tell me the compounding. Atat vidhanam.
Vedanasya.
Na tad vidhanam.
Okay.
Na tad vidhanam, atat vidhanam.
Okay.
Right? Then what is the meaning of tad vidhanam?
Okay.
Vidhanam means variety. So tad vidhanam means of that variety. So what is the meaning of atat vidhanam? Not the same variety. Understood? Vidhana means variety. Tat vidhana means same variety. Atat vidhana means not the same variety.
Okay.
Atat vidhanam. Read. Tu. Tatvidatva.
Tatvidatva.
Yojana. Tatvidatva yojana. Tell me what is the meaning of tatvidatva. Tadvidhatva. Tadvidhatva. Tell me the meaning of that word. Tadvidhatva.
Okay, so this is going to be the property of sameness.
Yes, property of the same. So you are going to join that which does not have the property of the same to the
Sameness. I'm going to join vegetables with
and
fruits.
tadvida. You are going to join atadvida in such a way that tadvida.
I'm joining fruits with vegetables and I'm saying that they are fruits.
Yes, there is no difference between the fruits and
Vegetables, if they are considered as foods.
Tell me, how will you categorize it?
If I categorize them as foods, they are both fruits.
No, they are
and
not. They are vegetables. See, vegetables, fruits together is called flora or fauna.
Flora.
Simple.
Okay.
So you categorize them under one head
Okay.
without making difference because connecting some main points together.
Okay.
Such way of thing is called prayoga. Read the example, you will understand.
Just a
After
second.
that we will see. You don't write now. Definition later.
Tadvidatva niyojana.
Eh?
Niyojana.
Niyojana.
Niyojana. Okay.
You read the example.
Shira,
Hmm.
Guna, Katane.
Kshira gunakatane.
Katane.
Kshira gunakatane.
Shira Guna Katane. Is Snigda. Snigdam. Kshira Guna Katane. Snigdam. Guru.
Shitalamidi.
Shitala. Iti. There is no iti here, but okay.
Shitalamiti.
This is iti?
Miti, not iti. Shitala miti.
Okay. Shitala miti. Okay, now I see.
Shitalam iti. Gurvadi patida gunaha.
Gurvadi.
Patida gunaha.
The D here is terrible.
Gurvati patida
Patita
gunaha.
Patlita gunaha. Okay.
You see.
Okay.
See,
yoga.
Guru Guna. No. You listen. Guru Guna is generally given for which Mahabhuta?
Prithvi.
You are using that Guru in which Gunakadana? Kshira.
Okay.
How that is? Kshira, when you say, you have to say Sandra.
Okay.
Right?
Depending on what milk you say, because in the West it's
See,
Sandra, it's not Sandra.
That is your modern science.
Okay.
Right?
No, not modern science, modern milk, industrialized milk.
See,
We don't have the experience of milk as
Kshira in Pratyaksha, by
Okay.
seeing it's the Drava.
if you go to the cow. If you go to the market, it's not true.
Guru, actually Kshira is a Drava, but we are telling the Guru Guna to Kshira. Actually Guru Guna can be connected with whom? Praditi. But here we are adding it with Drava, Apya,
But
predominant Kshira.
Taila
listen
is
me.
not guru.
Kshira is Guru.
Taila is not guru.
Taila, Ruksha it is. Not that much Guru. Snigdha and it's
Okay.
not that much.
Okay.
But it is not Lakhu.
But Kera is guru.
Okay, right, very good. Listen me. Kshira, when you take, Pratyaksha it is a Drava,
Okay.
Apya predominant. But the Guru property which can be applied only for the maximum for the Prithvi is given for the. So, Guru Guna is not under the category of the Dravatva of the Kshira, but Guru Guna is applied on Kshira.
But when we have Sandra things, there is not Prithvi in Sandra Guna. Because as I understand,
That's why I told you now.
Sandra is a kind of
I
liquid
did-
with the presence of Prithvi.
That's why I'm telling you. I did not complete it. I'm coming to that level. Okay. You listen me, Kshira.
Okay.
Forget about that Sandra now. First learn this. Kshira is Drava, Apya, and Guru Guna is applied, can be applied for Prithvi. Even without seeing the Prithvi in Pratyaksha here in the Kshira, we are attributing that Guru Guna to the Kshira.
Okay.
So this is Atadvida for this.
Okay.
Guru Guna is Atadvida for Kshira. But we are making it as Tadvida.
Okay.
That is why this is called Niyoga Tantrayuti. Let me complete the definition of that. Okay. So attribution of Guru Guna to the Kshira, which is in the form of Drava, and Guru Guna which can be applied for the Prithvi, are joined in such a way that to understand the Kshira, thus two categories of different kinds are joined in such a way that it is suitable for the other. It is called Niyoga
Niyoga.
Tantra. This much you understand. Okay? Now for your answer. Sandra Guna is such a way that it is not solid. It is not solid substance, but its, according to chemistry, I will say, its bond is a little bit stronger.
Okay.
Okay? So there is no much velocity. That means there is no splitting of the cells, but only stretching of the cell is there. So the cells are not being broken. That means that the bond is not being broken. When the liquid factor have that property, then the Sandrata will be there. When it start breaking the bond, automatically it will get the property Dravatva.
And usually when we apply Ushna, it will break that bond. And think that
Breaking bond always action of Agni and Ushna, there is no doubt. Anywhere you want it to break, there should be Agni. Because Chedana is the karma of Agni. Clear?
So it doesn't matter if the substance is Pritaiva or Apyaya. When we apply heat, and the Pritaiva is going to break as a material thing, and in Apyaya is going to melt. But melting in this sense is also breaking.
Breaking only. No.
Okay. Because in English, breaking is not a good word for that. But if we
Actually,
understand
detached
through
bonds. We call as detached
through
bonds.
Sanskrit, it's okay. But
Detached bonds. The bonds get detached.
releasing.
Yeah, release. So I hope you understood what is Niyoga.
Okay.
Write down. When two substances which are not similar or categorized under one group, are relating group and relating them together in such a way that one switches for the other. This types of relating of two objects or an object and property is called Niyoga. It can be between two objects, it can be between an object and property.
For example, yesterday I was studying Patola because of the class.
Patola.
And I was looking about the gourds and the what is that name in English? It's gourds and pumpkins.
Yeah.
Gourds and pumpkins are not the same kind of food, but they are brought under one single family, that's Cucurbitaceae. So this one is the Niyoga of the pumpkins and gourds.
Good. Okay.
Niyoga
Now
is good.
example you can write in the case of you are writing in the case of Kshira. In the case of Kshira, which is an Apya Dravya, is considered to be Guru, which is more appropriate 4, which is more appropriate for the Parthiva Dravyas. But considering some particular factors, Guru Guna is given for Shira. Clear? Clear now?
Or start to write something.
Yeah, it is good. You start, it will come. Once you start writing, it will come. Come on, next one. Niyoga, after that. 4 more we have to complete today.
32.
Come on. After Niyoga.
So now
You
we
know,
go.
by doing this, you start thinking. See, Apidravya, so physical is not the relation between Guna and Dravya. Some other factor I have to take. So I have to go for karma. Is the karma of milk is doing Guru? How it is? Then you are searching. Yes, what is the karma of Guru? Brahmane Shaktihi Guruhu. So when the milk is given, a person is getting nourished. Brahmana is happening. So certainly the milk is having Guru Guna. To think that, this is the Tandrayukti we are thinking. Understood? Clear? Are you getting
This is the Niyoga.
Otherwise, you cannot find out the Guru Guna of the milk. How you are understanding the Guru Guna? It is not because of the density. You are finding out because when you are giving milk to a person, what is happening over there? Brahmana is happening. So what is Guru Guna? Brahmane Shaktihi Guruhu. That is why you can observe that milk is Guru Guna. Clear?
The interesting thing is that I was giving class this last Monday for people in the second part of my course, and I was starting to explain then about the concept of karma of each guna, because usually we don't have this kind of explanation. So people was saying, wait a minute, what is he saying? I'm lost.
Brahmane Shaktihi Guruhu, Langane Shaktihi Laguhu. That is very important when you study gunas. Otherwise you cannot identify it. The result is there.
And this is, I only saw this in the West a little bit with Vasantulad, but usually it's not written in the books. The relation between the gunas and their karma is not a thing that people are.
Ayurveda is very clear. Guna can be observed only through the karma.